Nubia, the company behind the popular RedMagic line of gaming smartphones, has finally announced the global launch date for their powerhouse device, the RedMagic 9S Pro. RedMagic 9S Pro series debuts with overclocked Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC, ICE 13.5 cooling system, and a bunch of AI features. RedMagic, known for its high-performance gaming phones, has released its latest model, the RedMagic 9S Pro series. This new phone aims to improve mobile gaming with top-notch specifications and smart AI features. The RedMagic 9S Pro series aims to improve mobile gaming with an upgraded game space, featuring new AI-driven capabilities. These new and improved features are packed into the RedMagic 9.5 operating system, based on Android 14. One standout feature is Smart Navigator, which offers real-time suggestions for popular games and includes voice typing for quick questions. For those who like to customize their controls, the AI trigger allows gamers to set personalized actions for the shoulder buttons, enabling the phone to automatically recognize and execute moves based on your playstyle. Sound recognition is another impressive addition, automatically identifying in-game sounds to aid decision-making during gameplay. RedMagic Moments streamlines content creation by capturing and editing screenshots and clips on the fly, even converting highlights into wallpapers for your game lobby. The AI assistant has also received a significant upgrade, now featuring voice-activated functions and a dynamic, game-themed display. Improved scene recognition leads to more accurate AI responses within games, ensuring a more seamless experience. Additionally, the RedMagic Cube serves as an in-game hub, offering a variety of AI tools such as photo editing, wallpaper creation, and writing assistance. The RedMagic 9S Pro series has a 6.8-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a 960Hz touch sampling rate responsive touch controls. The display offers bright colors and clear visibility, even in bright conditions thanks to its 1600 nits of peak brightness. It also reduces eye strain during long gaming sessions. The phone's camera setup includes 3 cameras on the back, a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 2-megapixel macro camera. The main camera also supporting OIS optical stabilization for more stable film output. The actual shooting performance is not bad. The color will be rich, more pleasing to the eye. The front camera is a 16-megapixel under-display camera for selfies and video calls. The RedMagic 9S Pro and Pro Plus use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 leading version processor, essentially an overclocked version, offering excellent power for demanding games. Both include up to 24 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, which helps with smooth multitasking and fast data processing. Storage options range from 256 GB to 1 TB, giving plenty of space for games and media. To keep the phone cool during long gaming sessions, the RedMagic 9S Pro series has the ICE 13.5 cooling system. This includes a large 182mm square single-layer vapor chamber plate, a high-speed fan spinning at 22,000 RPM, and a new cooling gel. These features help maintain performance without overheating. The RedMagic 9S Pro series offers 2 battery options. The standard 9S Pro model has a 6,500 mAh battery and supports 80 watts fast charging, while the 9S Pro Plus version comes with a 5,500 mAh battery paired with 165 watts fast charging. The RedMagic 9S Pro series is equipped with the 3rd generation Snapdragon 8 Leader Edition, which has an overall increase in CPU and GPU frequency, bringing better gaming performance. The industry's rare flat design and a cleaner back compared to the previous generation give the RedMagic 9S Pro Plus a hardcore design style. Whether it's performance output or hardcore design, the RedMagic 9S Pro series delivers the ultimate gaming experience, and the addition of AI provides a wealth of new ways to play games, as well as a variety of features such as AI elimination, which is great for everyday use. If you want a phone that combines extreme performance and daily use, the RedMagic 9S Pro series will be a new choice for you. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.